Dear students, welcome back to the GDC classes. So dear students, here is the recent update regarding the GPAT 2024 examination about the time bounded section and the time required for the questions in the GPAT 2024. As this is the new body, NBMS conducting body for the GPAT examination. So they have taken a new initiative. They are going to conduct the examination in a new pattern, that is the time bounded section. And what is that? Here is the new notice for the 4th May in introduction of the mandatory time based. This is the 4th May notice, introduction of the mandatory time bound sections in MCQ based examination. NBMS, that is the conducting body of the NEET PG, NEET MDS, NEET SS, FMG, DNB, GPAT, DPE, FDST, FET, and they have started a new examination pattern, that is the time bounded section. For all the examination they are conducting on the basis of the MCQ level. So they have given an example, like they are conducting the NEET PG. NEET PG examination of the 200 questions for the 3 hours 30 minute duration, and they have cleared that they will divide all the question in 5 section, that is the A, B, C, D, E, and according to that the time will be also distributed. So for the 200 questions, 40 questions carried out the 42 minutes, because this is the 210 minutes divided by 5, so it will be the 42. That means for each 40 questions you will have the 42 minutes to solve those questions, and after completions of the time for the first section, then you can only enter into the next section. Before that you can review that questions, you can again attempt those questions, but you cannot enter into the next section until the time has completed. So you can review for those questions, but in that limited time only. Now GPAT examination, that is the 125 questions and 3 hours, that means the 180 minutes. So just divide by the 5 to each. Here you will get the 25 questions for the 36 minutes. So they have clearly mentioned that the actual number of time restricted section in examination may vary based on the total number of questions in the question paper and operational feasibility in creating such section. That means according to the section they can divide time as well as the total number of question. And here is the mandatory. Such mandatory time bound section will be implemented in GPAT 2024 NEET PG and further forthcoming computer based test conducted by the NBMS. The scheme of examination mentioned in the information bulletin of NEET PG GPAT 2024 should be therefore read carefully. Means yes, they are going to conduct it, they are going to implement this methodology. So you have to prepare about yourself regarding to that. So that's why GDC classes have implemented their Super 50 model paper test as like the GPAT pattern, which are going to be followed in the NBMS examination. That means 25 question for the initial 36 minutes. So GDC also have implemented that methodology, and that we are going to conduct from the 15th May. So before that, just download the GDC classes app and join the Super 50 model paper, where you will get these type of question for the practice. As much you do practice, you will definitely get the good result in the final examination. And the code and the process is given into the description box. So kindly go through that link. Thank you everyone.